Meaning of horror.
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 Horror. The term horror refers to an intense feeling of fear, shock, or disgust often triggered by something frightening, grotesque, or macabre. It is a genre of literature, film, and art that aims to generate such emotions in its audience. Horror works often feature supernatural elements, psychological torment, graphic violence, and death. They can serve to entertain, thrill, or challenge cultural norms and fears. Many artists, critics, and scholars have explored the appeal and impact of horror on human psychology, culture, and society. In short, horror is a powerful and multifaceted form of expression and entertainment.